So today we are on to the next project, well, a continuation of something we started. We're going to peel some of those cut-offs and more half rounds right there. We'll see how far we can get with peeling the bark off of these today. And it's the same wire he used. The black looks fine. The white looks fine. I don't know, it looks okay. And the long screw was over here and it wasn't touching anything. You see if you see anything broken on there. I don't see anything broken.
That's got a little, I would wrap that or cut that and rewire it. This has got some breaks, that's got some breaks in it right there. See that?
Those aren't brakes.
It's like plastic.
No, those aren't brakes. It's just the way it is. It's groundy. Everything looks good.
And this is pinching back here.
That's irrelevant.
And you're sure the ground is good?
I was thinking about asking Terry to just come over and take a look at it.
Yeah, just call him up and say, hey. Get over there.
This is a mixture of borax and water, and bugs don't like it, so we're spraying all of these cut-offs from the hemlock, and we're going to cover it with metal afterwards, after she's done spraying. Stay tuned to see what we're going to do with these. Very cool ideas. Not sure when we'll get to it, but we will. kind of bug is that? It is green.